In this assembly, I have grouped these three blocks labeled A, B and C into a subassembly. Now if I expand the subassembly and start to change the display modes of the components or hide them individually, I will be overriding the display style of the subassembly. If I want to go back to controlling all three blocks as a whole, I need to align the mouse with the subassembly and right-click on the display pane area. This brings up an option that allows you to clear override. Once you click that, you are back to controlling the display style of the subassembly as a whole. If you have more than one subassembly where the display styles have been overridden, you have the option to clear all overrides.